Dear Jasmine, dear Jasmine, dear Jasmine, I wonder if this love is everlasting. I promise not to treat you like your last one.
Hi babes, hi boo-boos, hi darlings. Hi guys and welcome back to another video. So today's hair is from Sunber and I am showing you guys everything that came with the box. They also sent these and I'm just showing you the regular lace, the transparent lace, and then the HD lace. I'm showing you guys how they look on my skin so you know which one to go for. And today's wig install is kind of different because typically I'll just wear the hair, but today I'm gonna take you guys through the entire process of making a wig glueless. We're gonna start by bleaching the wig, and I use the L'Oreal Quick Blue Extra Strength mixed together with the Clairol Pure White Cream Developer in 30 extra lift. So I mix that into a paste. As you can see, I use a plastic spoon to mix it. This is the consistency that I'm looking for, so I'm gonna start applying that to the lace of the wig. I put it on my mannequin head to make it easier for me to apply, and I used a plastic knife. I actually just did that the first time in this video. I've never used a plastic knife. I just wanted to try it and see if it would work, and it was kind of working because when I used the whatever that brush is for applying relaxer to your hair or bleach to your hair, sometimes like it gets too much, like I pick up too much and then I can spread it around. So I just went ahead and I applied the bleach on the entire lace and waited 30 minutes for it to lift. Oh, I also put foil on it. This is just the regular foil that I have at home. I needed something to cover it. It looks like I have the nuts bleached, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash out the bleach from the lace. This can be very messy, but just try and get the bleach out as much as you can before we start shampooing and conditioning as well. So this is the shampoo that I use. This is the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo. I use this personally for my natural hair even. I only use their product to wash my hair, their shampoo and their conditioner as well. And I'm going to be using the conditioner for the wig as well. So I wash about 2 times to try and get as much of the bleach out of the hair. And also these wigs, some of them come with like a funny smell. So I'm glad that I get to even bleach it and give it like a good wash so I can get a little bit of that smell out. I don't know if it's just the wigs that I get, but most of them have this like really weird smell. It's not like a terrible smell, but there is a smell. So it's nice to use, especially this Aussie product, to wash and condition the hair because their products smell really, really nice. I'm gonna rinse it off and I'm gonna shampoo it one more time, but this shampoo that I'm using is really good on strong chemicals, just to make sure that you've given the wig a good wash. This is the Isoplus neutralizing shampoo. I think if there's any bleach left in this wig, this shampoo is gonna get rid of it. The next thing I'm going to be using is my Shimmer Lights shampoo for blonde and silver. So this is just to it's a color enhancing shampoo. Now that we're done, I'm just gonna go in and condition the hair, comb it out, make sure it is like as smooth as can be. And as you can see, I'm using the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner, and I'm putting that all over the hair. I'm also gonna comb through the hair, make sure that the conditioner has gone everywhere I need it to, and then we're gonna wash that out after. Okay, I'm just showing you guys how the knots look now. I love the way it turned out. I left the hair to dry, to air dry. I didn't use a blow dryer or anything, and I installed it the next day. And so let's install this wig. This is going to be the quickest install I have ever done because we're gonna go for glueless. I think the bleach knots came out great. This is it against my skin tone. I'm gonna just go ahead and put some foundation on the lace. And then I'm gonna cut off the lace. I already have a bald cap from a previous wig, so I'm just gonna throw this on and see how we can work with it. So you can tell that it goes with my skin really well. I love how this turned out. This is so easy. Like, I am always gluing my wigs, so for me to like do this and then realize that really matches, I don't even need to really put a glue on it, I can just put this on and take it off whenever I want without the extra work. So now I'm just trying to figure out where the middle is and showing you guys that I haven't glued it. It is just sitting on my head, but it looks seamless, right? And I'm just hot combing it to get everything flat. So I use my wax stick to get everything to lay flat because I'm trying to get the top of my head really flat, and when you go in with a wax stick, it helps the hair to like lay down. So you can see me just put that especially at the roots and just hot comb it. And I'm using this hair oil and my mousse to just like get the curls to come back to life. So I'm just putting my mousse. I use the olive oil wrap set and I put that all over the hair. And then I use my hair oil, and this is the Kerastase. I think that's how it's pronounced, but I use that oil and I apply that all over as well. And I'm just showing you guys that this is glueless. This is just sitting on my head. If I get into a fight, everybody is gonna see my bald cap underneath. That looks very bad because they will remove this wig. I am so happy about how it turned out. All the details about this hair is gonna be in my description, so do check that out. I'm gonna leave all the details about this wig in my description, so do check it out. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on another video. Love you. Bye.